Hey my lovely family, as we all know that we have been advised to boost our immune system, I just want to remind you, do you know that we can still go back to our olden days as our parents used to boost their immune system?
Anastasia, many oba between komoka krebi. Na de bia me ka say obra anywhere, and na say life is how you make it, no matter what the situation is. You can make something about your life. So what you be able now share na emwa do something about it. You see a stroke, a buami or buano.
I say life is simple, oh. Take it easy, oh. You live today, tomorrow you are no more.
Hello everybody, you are highly welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Anastasia Patience. Ebusia for me mawakwaba eba me channel so. You from me Anastasia Patience Adano. Na ene many mu ebetwetwe nkomo kakra. Na nkomo na eba betwetwe no edebe nkoma. Ma to din say you can make your life better. Me see ewiase we akasa no. Bibia ni ho a wontimi enye den, entimi nsiesie o. Ubetimi esiesie ni yie anase ubetimi aye ni yie ama aye yie. Eno nti sabre so was tibia bi mu. Na se emwa wakasa wotimi ho se ade na emeye anase tibia na me wo mu no emwa me entimi nya den means that is what I said. You can make your life better no matter what the situation is. So what I say, enti ena ye ba be din komo afa ya pomudin ho. Apomudin. Maybe say, how are you boosting your immune system? Wo pomu, wo boostu ni sen anase empom tuo be na wo di ma oni pedua no anase honam sana me pese me kire se empom tuo ben na ye di ma ye akasa ye ho afi se COVID-19 no eda ho ewo ho enkoyo na a doctor for say obi a immune system ewo low anase wo vitamin deficiency no ye increase ye vitamin intake no anase se wonu se wapomudi enhyeda enye engina ye papa ye mbomodi anse ye be increase ye vitamin intake no so wo vitamin bebre obe ebi wo ha se wodidi ye se wonum wodi wo fruit ye wo fa wandro ye kanka mo si ye before so no ye increase ye vitamin D intake no eno nti no ne amefoto amepesa mekane se wonum abrofodro no na wo ye bibidro so na se wonum bibidro so and the mfa ho etitru ye a ye wo akontrum ye wo akontrum no mesire obi bia se ubetimi aye den ubetimi aye efomodro bebre ewa kwentum a enye chinchina ase bia wo fia na ase gise wo de ahaban ebi ewo around ebi wo ho bia wo nya ne bebre mpo a ba ko mienu mpo a wo benya no bomodi ase wo be take advantage na watimi aye de se yenyire ye ho na yenye de ye into ye mpom anase we should increase our vitamin intake anase yembosu ye our immune system no nti sabre no meka se betimi abase wonum aduro but ye na ye refi ye bo modi ase betimi abusu hu e wo different way. How there's so many way betimi abusu immune system no ebi wo ha betimi adua adidie mu so ye nduro eye na formal duro so eye papa enti ne metimi aka ne se wo wa kontum na se opese we boost we immune system what traditional way so there's other ways so obetimi abustu enye se bia obenum abrofodro nko a obetimi abustu by taking other herbal medicine na se obetimi astemi wo ho obebi say how do you steam yourself yetimi steam ye ho mane ye pa wa control so what I sent video me the video we beto ha na wa hwe video no send SCT se na obetimi abusto we immune system ewa abrochire anase amanane anase akontrum so what I say nti first no ye kromo no na ye di ewa haban bebre a wotimi kote na wa hohoro ho anu akama na odi apo ho eno nso so bua papa eno nti obi oho beka se na akontrum no me ye den apo me ho akontrum emfa ho omo amuwo UK and as other country you're closest to Amazon. Pebreto fresh leaves every Amazon yeden use. but ebi nso so wɔ hɔ na baby a wɔ no na nnua ne bi wɔ hɔ anaasɛ ahaban ne bi wɔ hɔ. Just walk out call countryside anaasɛ outside the city no sɛ wɔ baby a nnua wɔ anaasɛ baby a nwura be sure sɛ wobɛnya some leaves bi a wobɛtumi anoa. Ebi te sɛ lemon tree wo sɛ lemon leaves sɛ wobɛtumi anoa no wapo ho lemon ɛna baako bi nso so hɔ mahogany ebi nso so wobɛtumi anya wa amanoni ɛna omo wɔ eucalyptus leaves. Saa eucalyptus leaves no ɛno nso so wobɛtumi ayɛ den akɔbubu bi na watete bi na wahohoro ho kama na wanoa. Nti eba ne sɛ olive leaves say wobɛtumi ayi so, lemon wobɛtumi ayi so, eucalyptus wobɛtumi ayi so, mahogany wobɛtumi ayi so. Nti those leaves no wobɛnya bi ɛwɔ akɔntro mu, wobɛnya bi wɔ akɔntro mu. Nti don't waste time and I say don't play game. Menya yi me akɔdworo ɛka ne sɛ nti bɔmmɔden no kɔpɛ bi na yɛ de ne no a ebia na wo hu se na nea meka no wo hu so a ma yɛ video ne bi metimi pu me ho me di na eucalyptus leaf and I say lemon no bi metimi de pu me ho. Nti ma yɛ video ne bi a me link no wa yɛ de no wa hwɛ se na me yɛ no se na wo nso so betimi ayɛ de etimi ayɛ abra wo akɔntro mu kama se wo obi wo ho so a na obɛka se woni ɛka ne sɛ oni baby a obenya eyi ne bi obenya haban ne bi no me pese me video no be yɛ tintinti no ai me pamocho yesi yenye de yesi num lemon ginger obi wo ho a don't overdo it. Yesi too much of everything is bad so what you say. Nti obi wo ho a otimi sorry obi wo ho si unum coffee raw coffee minim microphobia omunum raw coffee because of covid yesi obusu ni immune system to no aye den strong coffee no wo no obi wo so a ginger ne garlic ne onion na si for bebre na ye no na ade no abibia ekọ wo nipadua no mu no you have to be careful what you say. Nti no mesrɛ mu a mesrɛ enuafo no mu papa no mu maame no mu me kunu mu me sisters no nyina me pa mo chew ma ye take very good care of your nipadua no. Mentwen ema yare ne enka wo ntu ho ansa na aka se wo ye den say preventing is better than cure. Eno nti nia me susum be se me ka ne se bomodin a ne pu hu se ne be ya wonso so wapomudin ehun ye den enkoto chima because yare no wa ho obi a obeka se ewo ho na mom no sebi wankasa yesi obra eni wara. Nti se nyame betimi aka ne se ye betimi aboye ho ban ama na ye we should try our best what you say. Ti nyame timi ayede aka no se bomodia ana se wonya leaves na ye wo essential oil no omo wo eucalyptus essential oil, rosemary oil, peppermint oil. There were so many essential oil. Still, you can also use essential oil to steam yourself. What I say, because steaming yourself, it does a great job. A baby lungs, a baby womb, also ye nipedrano, a mine wire mono, a tokro wo. So we steam you it opened all the pores and it cleans your lungs. So what I say, maybe now when you're cold, now we are ebebo kama na me na me hunu esi sa won say rapid test na omo ye no sa covid test no me ko anytime bia bedwuma nti na anytime bia me ko akoye bia na me hunu esi na me na me pu me ho bia at least once a week say bia me pair me ye be 2 times a week, but mostly I does it once a week, which is very 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 good for the body. Many nurse for bebre akasa almost see omo patients no efa anya yare ni bi, but omo akasa no so far omo nurse for na ebi nye ebi because omo pu omo ho almost 3 to 4 times a week. Anytime bi omo ye dwuma be kofie bia no omo kopu omo ho ansa no moye de omo dware ada eno a no omo ye da still no omo nurse for ni bia enye ebi. So I'm not just say what you say steaming yourself no it can also help. So it can also help some part bi. And one thing misramo anuafo misra wara Pomodia na yede ne pool. Just try it and see. I will encourage you to steam yourself and let me know how you feel, because I got a stuffy nose, and when I did it, I see a great change and very, very, very good for me. So I hope and I believe that it can also work for you. Try it. But just say, oh yeah, upe o blanket, no drona, upe o blanket, no wa cover won't come, no wa brief in the vapor, no be at least 10 to 15 minutes, and question we half an hour, because don't do it, because it might according to me and don't overdo it. And I'm say too much of everything is bad. And to know me person me can no say bomodia ne po o hwe video na akopim say obeye den ba ko me so essential ba ko so me ye leaves no eno to be hu video ni mi no nyina nti message say obenya abotre no hwe video na up to the end, so oni ji hu a na wa share, and I say at least me pa cho ya ja comment e was say, so one ja comment me hu say wa hwe video no what I say nti ja comment na wo so kire wa adwen say papa wo boni o adam didi enim we so me so nya menim na me kire na me ka say no man is perfect. Nya me nim no me na ne kan say sharing is caring and caring is sharing. Now me person we be say she talk too much. Yeah, maybe it might be true say I talk too much, but I talk too much because I like sharing the important issues with the loved ones, because you share the best things with them, and I say you share all your important benefits, or I say anything, any valuable things with your loved ones, and nothing and then me waha minimum eche apomudin hu nsam. What I say, bibi abese obisa me bia no, just leave a comment down below on the comment section, and I will really love to reply you back. And also the next video bia obese me ye bia no, just leave the comments down below, because I talk about everything. I talk about a lot of things. I talk about how to change your mood, how to be happy during your difficult time, and you know, a lot of things, because happiness is not all about money. So what I say, yankasa ye balance, I will say balance. Nti medimbesi ha anuafo medimbesi ha no. So if you like this video, give it thumb up and leave your comment down below. And of course, share it with your loved ones, okay? I love you so much, but God loves you more than I do. Tinyankopon ya dum na say yeso ma, ye best I share you. And therefore, I always say, take very good care of yourself, okay? The more you wash your hand, the more you clean your heart and you wash your brain, okay? Maybe you might say, how can I wash my brain? No, clear your brain, wash your heart, and wash your hand, and stay safe. Until I see you in my next video. 3 times, very, very calmer, because make sure you wash the dust away, because you are going to steam it and you are going to breathe in the vapor. So make sure you wash it very, very, very good to wash away the dust, okay? And also any insect or something else, you never know. Until me and I punch you a goose, so I just feel it almost full, and then I cover it and I made see a jar so and a boil it, and a boil na ja Mrs. me blanket, and then I poo me home. Yes, I steam myself. See, medicine jar so no, I make sure it goes inside well. No wakatas, we just cover it very good. So now it's ready. You can see that is my stool. That is my African stool, okay? Joy makonya. I just say ja makonya. Hey, you see a diagram. No, we are not joking. Share abrafodro no wo ho. Yeah, there's some medicines, vitamins, a whole bunch of vitamins around, but still, no, this is homemade. This is called home sweet home. This is our natural or traditional way of boosting your immune system. It's also fight against the virus, because it opens all your pores. in your lungs. You see, and to breathe in the vapor is hot and open all the blockage in your lungs. Now, but I mean, can't say go now about 30 minutes. You don't have to sit there, steam yourself for 20 to 30 minutes. No, don't do that, okay? If you have any special problem, please consult your doctor. This is a personal experience, so don't take it for granted, okay? If you have any problem, please consult your doctor before doing it, okay? Olden days, that's how we do it. That's how our great grandparents do it. So other one here, you can't lift or lifts. You see, you can see my eyes. Oh my god, it's like my eyes has doubled. So when you try, you may not get you can't lift up lift, but I'm encouraging you, go find. But you know, the funny thing is that they were laughing at me, my children and my husband, they were laughing at me. But believe me or not, after finishing, so me you know, now me when you see, I got a stuffing nose, but me you know, oh my goodness, me when you be so to say African highway no. It really works, It's really fantastic. It's a whole healing. I don't even know how to express how the feeling was. The only thing I can say is that just give it a try, and then you will see the benefits of these things, Anyway, family, I love you so much. Madam Wasibebre say more share time and mommy. To say if you like this video, please make me favor. Give it a thumb up, like it, leave your comment down below, and let me know what video you would like me to bring out next. I love you, but God love you more than I do.
You watching Patience TV. Big TV. Patience. Move mountains.